This traditional chili couldn't be any easier. Simply brown lean ground beef, add in pantry-friendly ingredients, and simmer for 20 minutes. This Beef It's What's for Dinner recipe is certified by the American Heart Association. Heat a large nonstick skillet over medium heat until hot. Then add 1 pound of 96% lean ground beef and cook 8 to 10 minutes, breaking into 3/4 inch crumbles. Make sure beef is cooked to an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour off the drippings. Stir in 1 15-ounce can of reduced sodium black beans that have been rinsed and drained, 1 14.5-ounce can of unsalted beef broth, 1 14.5-ounce can of unsalted diced tomatoes, 1 4-ounce can of diced green chilies or sliced jalapeno peppers, and 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Bring to a boil and then reduce the heat. Cover and simmer 20 minutes to develop flavors, stirring occasionally. Garnish with your favorite toppings like sour cream, cilantro, green onions, cheddar cheese, or sliced avocado as desired. For this recipe and other delicious beef recipes, visit beefitswhatsfordinner.com.